Today's game is all about expressing gratitude for the things that we love. So we formed one giant heart, and within there, each of the big hearts has a topic written on them, like school or family, things that we want to identify, things that we love about them. And the trick is that some of them have an extra heart drawn on the back with the topic. The first person to pull out some of those and get 3 hearts is the winner. You ready to play?
Yeah!
Okay, all right, Cameron is going to go first. Oh! Art! And you already got a heart. You got a heart with art. So what are things, because Cameron is definitely an artist. What are 3 things that you love about art?
I like coloring.
Coloring?
I like how creative you can be.
Yep, and Cameron is definitely super creative.
And I like that it's fun.
It is fun.
For everyone.
Totally agree. All right, so Cameron already has 1 heart. Mine is my dad. 3 things that I love about my dad. I love just his optimism. I love that he looks for the best in people. And I also love that he is just so willing to do so much for each of our family members. So, no heart, but definitely fun to say 3 things I love about my dad.
Christian. What I like about him, he's my brother. And he's nice, and he knows a lot.
He does know a lot.
I like that he can fix problems.
He is a good problem solver, huh? That is true. That's a fun trait to be able to have. So, did that one have an extra heart on it?
No.
Vacations, and it has a heart. I am definitely somebody who just loves spending time with people, so to me, that's number 1 about vacations, is just all the extra time that I get to spend with everybody. Number 2 is that we usually go to amusement parks, and I am a huge fan of roller coasters, so I think that is super fun. And number 3, I just love that you get to take a little break from all of the regular stresses of life and be able to have a lot of fun together. So that's my 3 for vacations, and I finally have 1 point.
TikTok, it's my pocket watch.
That's an awesome pocket watch.
Grandma and Grandpa, I get a heart for this one.
Ooh, 2
I love
hearts
that
for
they
Cam.
spoil me.
They do.
I love how kind they are, and I love that they host a lot of parties.
Yep, they do, huh? They host some
And
really
they have
fun
really
parties.
good food.
They do. All right, so Cameron has 2. I have 1. Let's go here. Your mom. That's fun. I got to do both my mom and my dad, and I have a second heart, so it's 2-2. So whoever gets the next one is going to be the winner. 3 things that I love about my mom. 1 is she is just completely selfless and would do anything for anyone in our family, and also just great at serving other people. Another is that I love that she'll talk on the phone with me for a long time. We have some good chats and enjoy that together. For number 3 is definitely just that she knows how to have a fun time. So we have lots of great laughter. She loves to crack jokes, and it's always lots of fun. So sure love my mom as well. So we'll put this one on. Oh, Cameron's taking the bottom one, the point.
Nature.
Ooh, that's a
What
fun one.
I like about nature is how beautiful it is.
It is definitely beautiful.
It's just really beautiful.
What else do you love
I
about
like
nature?
that it's cute. I love baby animals.
Baby animals are really awesome. That's a good one.
And I like zoos.
Yep. Zoos are pretty fun. You get to see the animals up close.
Yeah, like a lot.
Awesome.
Not sponsored by Hogel Zoo.
All right, so 2-2. So let's see.
I got a red nose.
Is it Rudolph? Rudolph for Valentine's Day.
I am nature man.
Okay. All right, so let's see. Oh, Cameron. No points, but I get to say 3 fun things that I love about Cameron. 1 is that I just love how fun and just that he has such a fun time together, as you can see right now. Super creative and has a lot of fun.
Now I can't see what I'm doing.
Cameron Man is a heart emoji. A little love emoji face. Number 2 is just all of his great, in fact that can be number 2. All of his great like poses and different things I think are awesome. Number 3, I love how creative he is. So my favorite thing is watching like whether it's Legos that are around or even just like dinner food, he'll just take anything and be able to put it in lots of great shapes. Like you can take anything and create a sculpture about it.
Hero.
He's a superhero. And I'm gonna squeeze in a number 4 here. One other thing that I love about Cameron Man is that he is just so sensitive to people. He always wants to make sure everyone is happy and doing great and wants to make sure everyone is taken care of. So there's 4 things that I love about Cameron Man. And again, number 1 was his silliness. All right, no point for that one, but so Cameron, you have a chance to win. Will he get an extra heart?
Holiday.
Holidays and a heart, so he is the winner with 3, but first let's have you share 3 things that you love about holidays.
I like that holidays have good food. And I love that families are together.
That is one of my favorite things about holidays.
And I like presents.
And presents. Yep, those come
And
with holidays a
giving
lot
presents.
too. And giving presents. That is a beautiful thing. So that is our What I Love About game. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below. And be sure to subscribe so you can join the rest of our family fun everyday games. Be sure to also check out these videos, which we think that you'll enjoy. And thanks so much for watching. We will see you next time. Bye-bye. We love you.